toolkit, we have made those invisible so you don't see them because they don't carry a lot of weight and they're kind of confusing. So we normally we'll have those muted or clear, transparent for you in the toolkit. In the template, they won't show. You can show them if you want, but they're just added lines to add confusion. So we generally don't show them because they don't carry a whole lot of weight. But sometimes you want to see them, so they're there if you want them. But the most important lines are the green and the red. Those are the ones that need the most volume.
These here.
Yeah, when you add these on with your system, they really will give you that added confidence. But just playing on a chart, they're not telling you the whole picture. They're not showing you the whole picture. So it really is important that you have them with your system.
Right. So don't just pop the don't try to just pop this on a chart and trade off of this here when you see volume. This is not a strategy, this is not a system. It's just an extra indicator to help you have more confidence in what your the entries that your other system is telling you, whether you're using a lead or trend catcher. Correct, Lori?
Yes.
Okay. And I believe I showed an example in the forum post there of how you also use them for possible profit targets, or where you might want to. Do you normally trail a stop or tighten up a stop at a higher level?
Yeah, I love when I see them heading toward one of these lines, the red or the green especially. I love to grab those trades. I was asked once in the elite room, should I put my entry on the other side of this so when it gets there, you can take it? Well, when it gets there, you don't know what it's going to do. If the volume will drop off, it's going to bounce. If the volume is really big, it's going to push through. But you'd have no idea. So I like to go right to that line because once it gets to a certain point, or if you've got volume pushing it up there, it's going to probably you have a real good chance of it getting there. So ride it up to those lines, and then afterwards, that's when you don't know what it's going to do when it gets there until you see what the volume is going to do. But they're fabulous for taking the little bus right to those lines and
Mm-hmm.
getting your little ice cream treats. They're great.
Gotcha. Okay, perfect. All right. Well, guys, and like I said, Lori is the one that's kind of really headed up the testing and development here of the ICE indicator and the next indicator I'm going to show you. But pop it on your charts, and play with it a little bit. And again, apply it to whatever system you are using, and then hop in the forum area there and in the elite room as well, and ask some questions on it. We'll get some more. We're going to do some more training on it here, and yes, we'll do some training on how to apply it to each section or each different system. Just for now, today, very basic kind of crash course, wanting to just get it out to you, let you start playing with it. Because I know, like I said, there's quite a few that follow along with Lori and know how to use it and seen it on the charts. You just wanted it yourself. We wanted to be able to get it out to you. So apologize for the kind of bare bones training on it today, but just wanted more than anything to get the release out to you, let you know it's here, give you some quick basics on it. Okay, so let's move on